How would you like to get paid by playing some videos, explore some content, or answer a few questions? I think the answer to that is yes. Everybody will love that, including myself, and that's why I'm really excited that I'm using this method, getting paid while just playing some videos from my computer in the background. And I would like to reveal the way to you as well today. Before we go ahead and start this video, guys, this is cashmarket37.com, and today I'm showing you another way, easy, fantastic way on you can make some money. Before we go ahead and start this video, I would like to ask you to click on the right side on the subscribe button in order to be part of my channel. It would be a great honor to have you. I learn for you as well, so it would be a great honor to have you to get your comments and feedback as well. So please do go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the like and thumbs up in order to see my videos. And with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and show you what's all about in today's video. All the links I'm showing is always under the description. So on today's website, I'm talking about the website called rewardable.com. Click the link below and bring you to this page. And then once you're here, just put your information, email, password, and so on. Just make sure that you click there, I'm not a robot. You would receive an email like this one on your email referral, and you are able to confirm your account. Once you confirm your account, you will be directed on this site. And also, if you want, you can always use the Facebook page, which is always faster to log into your account. You can do either way, which is more convenient for you guys. So once you're here, what I want to show you about this site is that you can earn acorns. By acorns is like similar to points, yeah? You will redeem these points based on what you do, and you have the options of explore, answer, or watch videos. I love the watch videos because I just have it choose the different things. I'll show you in a bit. I can have it on the background playing and I'm getting paid. I love it, guys, and I'm sure you're gonna love it as well. So what you need to do to get paid, before we go jumping on the actual way here, you need to download the mobile app for this site. If for any reason you go to your settings and you're trying to download the app, they are upgrading this. This is a new site, guys, so they're upgrading all the time, and you're able to get a small error that the site is under construction on this specific point. Don't worry, keep doing your work there, and your acorns will be able to direct it to the app later on once you have it. And how it works, you download the app, you put your PayPal account, and they will transfer the acorns equivalent to money to your PayPal account. Simple as that, and you get paid. So as I told you, once you go, you have the different options. You can go to explore, so you can explore different content. You can go to answer, and you can answer different questions like from different topics, or my favorite one, which is watch. You have the different feature things. You can watch healthy living, comedy, sports, safari, everything, trending videos online, Helen with drones, incredible card, boats, and so on. Let's say, for example, you want to start from this one. You click on the incredible cards, and the videos will start playing. They will be loading. As you can see, videos will play on the background. You can mute. You can do whatever you want. You can continue your work, and you get acorn points that you can later on translate. Guys, this is what I want to show you today. Very small, short, easy method that you can start using from your side. If you have a smart device, a phone, a tablet, or whatever, you can use it. Or if you have a computer, you can just go ahead, log in the morning when you wake up, just put it there running on the background, have it, the videos watch, and that's it. Alright, guys, this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the content. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and I will watch you on the very next video. Thank you so much. Have an amazing day, guys. Thank you so much.